Hi, I'm Jo from ZSA, and this video is all about the Navigator trackball. Your Navigator comes in a cardboard box. Inside that cardboard box is the carrying case, and inside the carrying case is your Navigator. Inside the case we have the shell. This is the piece that connects to the Voyager. It comes in a left and a right-hand version. I have the right-hand version because I'm right-handed. Then we have the core. This is the actual trackball module. We've got the connectors at the top here, and this just clips into the shell. Then we have the trackball. This is a 35mm plastic ball. It's got some heft to it and it rolls around really smoothly. And lastly, we have the cables, a short one and a long one. These are braided fabric TRS cables. Each of them has a straight edge connector, that's for the side that connects to the Navigator, and then a right angle connector for the side that connects to your keyboard. To attach the Navigator to the Voyager, we're just using these magnets on the back here. So you just bring the two pieces together and it clips right into place. This is a really secure connection. It's not going anywhere during regular use. The short cable goes on the side closest to the Voyager, so you just push the TRS cable all the way in, and then the right angle connector goes on the keyboard side. Then it's the same for the longer cable, it just goes to the other half of the Voyager. Now, because the trackball is loose, there's a limit to how far we can tend, so you won't be able to get fully vertical, but you can still do about 60 to 70 degrees with this very securely in place. Once you've connected your Navigator, you can go ahead and power up your keyboard by plugging in the power cable. The first time you connect your Navigator, the trackball is not going to respond. That's because we need to flash some firmware to your keyboard to tell it that there's a trackball connected. To do this, open up your layout in Oryx, click on one of the semicircles and click Add a Trackball. For a Moonlander or Ergodox EZST model, you just need to go to Advanced Settings and toggle on Enable Navigator Support. When you add a trackball to your layout, Oryx is going to automatically add a mouse layer. You can adjust the position of this or delete it if you don't need it. The mouse layer activates anytime the trackball is moved, and this automatically turns your keys into mouse actions. You get left, right, and middle clicks right under your fingertips, as well as special keys for switching on scrolling mode or slowing down or speeding up the cursor. In the popover, we have a few options. Which layer activates and what is the threshold or delay for activating and deactivating that layer. You can also invert the scroll direction and adjust the scrolling sensitivity. Once you're done customizing, compile your layout, save it to your keyboard, and off you go. Just like everything else ZSA makes, the Navigator is not for everyone. Depending on your work, you might still need to rely on an external mouse or trackpad. Where the Navigator works really well is pointing quickly and accurately, even across a large screen, clicking buttons, opening drop-downs, drag and dropping, scrolling, everything that encompasses general productivity work. If you do lots of email, it's great. If you spend all day scrolling through spreadsheets, this is for you. If you code, it's wonderful, and of course, it's great for browsing the web. Where it doesn't work as well are programs like Figma, Blender, or Adobe Suite. Anywhere where you're needing to do really fine, small mouse movements, like dragging a small slider, adjusting a vector point, or maybe dragging on a video timeline. The trackball will still be really useful in those apps, but you might just want to hang on to your dedicated pointing device for a few movements. Also, we don't suggest using this to game outside of something like Stardew Valley. And that's an overview of the Navigator trackball. If you have any questions, please just send us an email. It's contact@zsa.io, and anyone on the team will be happy to speak to you. We've all been using this for a while now, and we're so excited to share it with you. Thanks for being here.